have Maya with us from Goa and coach Jaina Reshamwala. And Maya has been die-hard follower of naturopathy as far as I know. So Maya, thank you for coming in this Hall of Fame interview. And thank you, Jaina, so much for taking care of Maya. And you just are awesome. So I'll start from Maya. How has been your journey? What results it gave you? And what are the benefits that you are seeing from naturopathy and gold membership?
Thank you so much, Vishal. First of all, gratitude to you. I'm glad I met you through one of my friends from the other community, and I'm really grateful to her that she introduced me to you. I saw the results what she achieved. She had some illness which she cured 90%. I saw the journey. I met her twice. Initially when I met her, it was like untreatable as she was saying, but when she got into naturopathy, you treated her. After 8 months, I met her and she was almost 90% cured. And I saw these results and I said, I want to do this naturopathy. Please give me the reference. And she immediately gave me your reference and I got in touch with you. I had issues like I was not able to spot my knee issues. I was very low in energy. I had a lot of hair fall issues. I did not have any major illnesses or diseases, but I'm grateful I met Vishal. And when I started the journey with naturopathy, I was like blown away with the power healing sessions what you used to take, right? Every Saturday. Attending your sessions. I did not attend 100%, but whatever sessions I attended, there was a huge knowledge that unless and until we have that knowledge, we will not convince ourselves. We will not be able to convince others, right? Regarding the allopathy treatment, the medicine, the effect of medicines on our body, on our health. I never knew this. Though being a science student, I did not know this. Coming back to my issues, I had severe knee problem is as such, I was not able to squat and sit on the ground. But now I think over a period of 1 year, Vishal, I've been in touch with you. I can sit on the ground continuously for a period of longer duration. I can sit like this with Padmasana, which I was not able to do earlier.
Amazing.
And I'm feeling very great. Epsom salt therapy solved my issue of low energy. And the small exercises what you used to tell me in between, that helped me to a great extent. Now it's like as soon as I go to bed, as soon as I lie down, I get very good sleep. Not only me, even my sister, she took your diet. She had the problem. She did not have the strength in her hands, right? She was not able to hold for But that has gone with the diet what we have suggested to her. She lost so many kilos. And Jaina, yes, I'm coming back to her. You have an amazing team. Only for the day one, she was a stranger to me, but now we are friends. And she gives small tips which help me for my hair fall. Hair fall has come down drastically. I have a little hair fall now. I get the shine to my hair. Even for my tan, she has given me the tips. You have an amazing team. I'm really grateful to you, Vishal, for this.
Amazing.
It has been a great journey. And I wish if I had met you earlier, the tragedies we have gone through, it would have not been happened. It will be always that whoever tells me about their illnesses, the first thing comes to my mind is Vishal. And I feel that person is going to get all right, get cured. Whatever disease it may be, whatever illness it may be, that is the trust I've got from you.
More power to Maya, more power to Jenna. So Jenna, how is your student?
Yes. Thank you so much, Vishal. Thank you, Maya, for your kind words. It really means a lot to us. And thank you for trusting naturopathy. And Vishal, one thing I've noted is like she's very enthusiastic and she is very committed also. Even though she doesn't have any major diseases, but she's following everything. So that now I think she has become amazing. And thank you, Vishal, for giving me this opportunity. And I really feel blessed and fortunate to, help people come out of their diseases and live a beautiful life. Thank you, Maya. You are a rock star and keep rocking. Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you so much, Jaina. Thank you so much. Means a lot.
Thank you, Vishal. Thank you.
Thank you. And thank you so much, Maya. Thank you for being awesome.
Thank you.
Everybody,
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Please type MPTY for Jaina and MPTY for Maya. Thank you so much.